We're in line at Peter Pan. It's a little crazy out there. Here we go.
Come on, everybody. Here we go.
There it is, Wendy. Second start on the right, straight on for more.
Oh, hey! Whoa! That was close. Oh,
I saw you a little late, sorry.
and that's Peter Pan. So much fun. Alright. Made it through Peter Pan. Oop. I got this thing backwards here. Actually, I just have it upside down. I have it right side up. That'll be an interesting edit. In line for Snow White now. We'll see.
Ooh, I look horrible.